And so Meralco bill from 320 pesos per share, now at 650 pesos per share. So in just 1 year, 100% ang capital appreciation. So if you cannot beat them, join them. So instead na maging bitter tayo sa pagpasa nila ng mga gastusin nila sa bill natin, so we can receive dividends, and also we can be part of the stock, no, so and earn from their capital appreciation. So pakita natin sa inyo yung kanilang dividend history. Okay, so yan, no, at around 4.23%, so it can still beat inflation. So while you are waiting for the capital appreciation, you can receive, or you are entitled to receive a dividend. So medyo malaki na rin yan, and pwede na rin. But for now, as of right now, medyo overpriced na yung Meralco, no? So medyo na ulit tayo ng pag-video and pagbigay ng information na to, no? So ayun nga, what we can do is that we wait for it to go down a bit. So there's probably some opportunities there. So pag bumaba, then we can buy, and then pag nag-buy tayo, we can just cost average it, no? So wag tayong bibili ng, we have capital of this certain amount, hatiin natin, no? So let's say in 5, so lagyan natin isa, and then pag bumaba, lagay pa ulit tayo, and then pag bumaba or tumaas, then lagay natin ulit. So we do cost average. So different months, and or depends sa inyo, it could be different months or per quarter, so something like that. Basta hatiin natin, and wag natin lagay lahat kasi it's on overbought territory na rin, so it could go down. So what we can expect, no, it could still go back down to 500, no? So and then just a pullback, and then we can be part of it. And analyst rating, technicals, it's still on a buy, and income statement is still steady going up. So there's nothing wrong with the company. Obviously, all of their losses, all of their expenses are being passed on to the consumers. So walang talo itong company ito. So before, no, when it was when it was 300 pesos per share, the dividend is around 6 to 7%, so very big. And yun nga, marami talaga nag-grab to, especially these days na talagang yung sila lang, no, defensive stock, no, sila yung mga defensive stock na tinatawag, no. So hindi sila talaga mawawalan during these times ng crisis, no. So hindi naman magbabawas ng electricity consumption yung mga tao dahil sa crisis. So possible na magbawas ng konti, pero it's not drastic, hindi talaga siya affected. So and again, all the losses will be passed on to the consumers. So why not just be part of it, and earn from the capital appreciation. So yun lang. This is not financial advice, and I just want to give you an informed decision about Meralco stock. So thanks so much for watching.